If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on POCO C85, what you need to do is you need to open the gallery. Once you open the gallery, we can choose the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Next, tap on these three dots that we have in the bottom right corner, and then we have set as wallpaper. There we go. Of course, we need to grant access, and that is required by the themes app. Over here, we can change the position of the photo, the wallpaper. We can zoom in, zoom out, and so on and so forth. We also have lock screen effects that we can use. You can also tap in order to switch to the home screen, and you can find wallpaper effects for the home screen as well. And if you are ready, you can just simply tap on apply button in the upper right corner, and then you can also choose if you want to set the wallpaper for the lock screen, home screen, or both. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.